mirar la luna, la 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 la.
New crypto coin is being listed on LBank, which is the FAFI coin, and it is launching on the 15th of April at 2 p.m. KST. FAFI is the main coin for the game Farm Today, and is a powerful coin capable of increasing your profits through pay to earn. The Farm Today game is currently available on the Google Play Store and App Store. The game involves raising cute chickens and using items to obtain eggs. Eggs obtained in the game can be converted into FP, an in-game point. When accessing the wallet linked to the game, the FAFI coins and FP within the wallet are exchanged. The game, starting with eggs, leads to FP points, then to FAFI coins, and finally to the LBAC exchange, allowing for monetization. This is a casual game that anyone can enjoy. The speed at which you can obtain eggs varies depending on the amount of in game items used, and you can earn FP through in game minigames. An event is also currently underway when you can receive 10% of the eggs your friend earns if you refer them. If you keep an eye on it, you will have another opportunity to earn money through a pay to earn game. Before we end, I want to emphasize the power of this game in having the value of building internet solutions that enables economic opportunities to spread more equitably across borders. A mission to create a world without economic boundaries. Again, if you want to try this pay to earn game, this is available on both Play Store and the App Store. That's it, guys, and thank you for watching.